Hello friends, I am Dr. Sadeep. In our channel, I will be uploading videos concerning the practical aspects of homeopathy. I have already done a few videos on these subjects. If you are interested to master the homeopathic practice steps, please go and watch those videos, friends. If you are interested in these type of subjects, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So today topic is very important topic, friends. So this is non-disease symptoms in the patients. So what are these non-diseased symptoms and how these non-diseased symptoms help in homeopathic treatment, and what are the examples of non-diseased symptoms? So exactly these non-diseased symptoms are the representation of each individual patient, which give us the identity of the patient. Genetic coding of the patient is being demonstrated in the individualistic way. This is called as non-diseased symptoms. For example, he is sympathetic. So this is a non-diseased symptom of that individual. He is irritable in certain circumstances. This is also non-diseased symptoms. And he is delightful. He is delightful. This is also non-diseased symptoms, which represents the individuality of the patient, is called as non-diseased symptom. So these non-diseased symptoms help in the individualistic of the patient, so we can come to the totality of the medicine very easily. So these are the non-diseased symptoms. So many beginning homeopaths will not focus on these non-diseased symptoms simply because they are not much aware of this non-diseased symptoms will help in the individualistic to find the individualistic medicine for each individual patient. So today I wanted to tell about this, friends. These non-diseased symptoms are there are many symptoms. That is, if you go through repertory, there are many fears, there are many desires, there are many aversions, there are many very characteristic features which they will represent in their daily routines, in their hobbies, in their habits, and in their food cravings. So these are all the non-diseased symptoms. So one who is master of this non-diseased symptoms will reach the totality of the patient very easily, and he is capable of curing each and every individual patient. So this is all about this non-diseased symptoms. There are many examples. If you go through repertory, you will find these non-diseased symptoms, friends. So this is all today, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. In future also I will be doing many important videos. Please follow my channel, friends. Thank you. Take care.